Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, let me just quickly show you how to get merger and acquisition related data if you're interested in this type of research. So first, once you log in, you will be in the home screen, and what you can do is simply in the search bar can write screener, and it will appear this app. The this app will give you screen public and private companies using a variety of criteria. You can go here or you can click on deal screener. I will show you what actually that means. So if you go to screener, now you will be in the public companies. As you can see, you are in this universe, public companies. What you need to do is you need to change this setting. If you are here, you will never get the merger and acquisition information. It will only give you data on public and primary listed companies. So what you would do is click on here, go down, go back to deals. Now here you are. Once you select the deals, and it will show you include asset class, and this is your M&A data. So now you are in this universe where you can only see the merger and acquisition data. This includes the list companies or deal numbers, all these types. So at the moment on the main screen, you do not see any information. To get any data on merger and acquisition, you have to use any of these filters. For example, you can filter based on the date those merger or acquisition deals were announced. You can rank date. What does it mean? It means it is for transaction announced prior to 2006. You can look at the deal status and it will show you the most recent status of the transaction. Status codes are grouped into 5 different categories. That means completed, pending, tentative, unknown, and withdrawn. You can also have a look at more detailed information on this status. For example, completed means the transaction has been closed. Um, yeah. So, for example, let's just first filter based on completed, and once you click on completed it will give you another 2 windows, whether unconditional or completed. So what does this mean? You can always have a look at the merger and acquisition definitions. So the completed deals, let's click done, and you can see on your main page it's trying to populate some data related to merger and acquisition. And what it's showing us that the screen results more than 15,000 results, and on the bottom left corner, it is telling us that it actually came up with almost 1.15 million deals. So the Refinitiv page cannot actually display all of these results at one time. So you may need to add additional filter to narrow down your results. It has to go below 15,000. Even if you have 15,000 deals on your main screen, the process is going to be much complicated. When you try to download it will have a severe pressure sometimes. If you have too many companies or deals with too many pages, tabs open, the system cannot take it. Sometimes it just restarts, and you have to start all over again. So for example, let's just add on more filters. For example, nation of headquarters. Let's try America, or uh, yeah, go to Europe. Western. Let's look at United Kingdom. Done. See how many deals were completed. And again, it's 97,000. So still too much. So what type of merger and acquisition we have? Let's go to stake purchase deals. Done. Do we can narrow down the search? I just want to show you how the data will look like in this page. Once we have it, as long as the number of deals is below 15,000, we should be good. So it's trying to filter out and populate the list if it can. Okay, so that did not work. So let's try something else. Let's try to filter based on the industry, or yeah, TRBC activity. So if we go for technology, for example, software and IT, let's see whether we can narrow it down to a bit less number of. Okay, here you can see now we have applied three filters. We have filtered based on the deal status, which is completed. We are looking at UK data, and we are looking at the service industry in the technology sector. And what you can see, these are the deal numbers. These are the date when these deals were announced. This is the rank date, and you can see all the definitions are here. The values are over here. The target, the one that is being merged or acquired, is over here. The industry this merged or acquired company is in. The target mid-industry, what does it mean? You can see the definition is the company proprietary mid-level industry classification based on the SIC codes. So the target nation is here. Here is a list of acquirers, their industry, the acquirer, for example, software company being acquired by a software company from United Kingdom being acquired by Singapore, a company in Singapore. Yeah, so this is quite important, valuable information. So this is the basic list of data that you have, but if you want more, you may have to go to this tab where you can see launch data item library. If you click here, you can get more information based on the company's financials and all other, just like what we have gone through with other data in the screener. For example, if I click here, and you can click on deals, merger acquisitions, and you have all this information, advisor information, deal informations, their financials, all these things, detailed company-wise informations, deal value, and some forecast on this. So hope you find this information useful. Anybody who is into merger and acquisition research, you should hopefully find this information useful. And if you have access, go ahead, download and go on with your research. And I wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Bye.